how you guys doing? I trust that you guys are doing so wonderful. Thank you and welcome back to Stellazone. If you're a new subscriber, I want to say thank you for subscribing and you are welcome. All right, so today, what do I have here? We are going to be making some ice cream, okay? So before I get into the recipe or the video, I want to tell you guys, if you've not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell, like the bell icon. So whenever I upload a video, you'll be one of the first ones to get a notification to watch my amazing and awesome video. All right, so let's dive in. Today's recipe is going to be really simple, okay? Most of us in Ghana, all right, or let me say Africa, but Ghana, for me, grew up on this thing right here called Milo. Like, if you did not grow up on this, like, you are not my co-equal. We are not co-equals, okay? I'm not your playmate. Don't play with me. So, I grew up on Milo. Most of you did if you grew up in Ghana, your Milo, your bread. But today, I'm just going to be having a little twist to it. And you see banana here. You're going with this recipe that I'm about to make. You're going to need about 3 medium-sized banana, and you want it right when you see the brown spots. Okay, all right. So that is when you know it's ready to make your ice cream. And so I'm going to make a Milo ice cream in a banana peanut butter ice cream as well. So for my banana peanut butter, you will still need banana, 3 medium-sized banana. Okay, you're going to need good old peanut butter, okay? And you're going to need, this is optional, if you don't have like a sweet tooth like Steven, you can leave this out. This is maple syrup. So that is what I'm going to use to sweeten this ice cream that I'm about to make. You need a bowl that you can put in the freezer. You can use a loaf pan, you know, the bread pan, the loaf. You can use that instead of this if you don't have a glass loaf pan. I have my blender, okay? So let us get started. I just took this out of the freezer, okay? So to make the ice cream, you want to peel the banana and cut it, okay? Cut it into like bite size and put it on a tray and put it in the freezer section for about 2 hours before you use it in making your ice cream. Now, if you're not going to make your ice cream in 2 hours, just put it this way for 2 hours, and then afterwards, you can transfer it into a Ziploc bag so that it's not sticking together, because when you go ahead and put it straight up in the Ziploc bag, it's going to stick together and you don't want that. So I have this in the freezer. I'm going to be using this right away. This is about 3 medium-sized banana, and that is what I am going to be using for our first ice cream. So I have my banana in here. I'm going to get it started. I want to get it started first before I add my Milo to it. So I want to get the banana started, and I will also taste it to see, because I don't like too much sweetness in my ice cream or too much sugar, or I don't have a sweet tooth. That's the bottom line. But I might be, Stevie might want a bit sweet, so I might add the maple syrup, but I'm going to taste it first. So let's just get started. All right, so at this point, I started. Vitamins is like, no, give me liquid. So I'm going to add my Milo, okay? I have a tablespoon. I'm going to add about 2, anywhere 2 to 3. I think I'll do 3.
Extra chocolatey.
You can do more if you like of Milo. And then I'm going to add some maple syrup. Now I'm going to add one teaspoon, sorry. 1 teaspoon. Oops! Don't do this. And I'm going to blend it.
Looks like ice cream now.
Yeah. So my banana was like so frozen. Mine went about 2 hours before using it. So I'm just adding just a teaspoon of water to it. Just 1 teaspoon of water to it, and it should be okay. So the banana ice cream is done.
Chocolate ice cream.
Chocolate ice cream, banana chocolate. Oh, look at that.
Looks almost like gelato.
Yeah. It's like frozen yogurt. So what I am going to do next is I'm going to, if you're going to make this for like your kids and friends and birthday, by all means increase the serving size, okay? Increase the serving size, increase it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this in the freezer because you don't want this sitting out. It will thaw and be liquidy. So I'm going to put this in the freezer while I work on the peanut butter, banana peanut butter ice cream, okay? So, but look at this. Just look at how soft, nice and creamy. I'm telling you, this is going to be so good. We are on to our banana peanut butter ice cream. I don't know about you, but I love peanuts and banana. It's a thing that we Ghanaians, we love, okay? You won't understand if you're not a Ghanaian, but peanuts and banana makes the best snack for Ghanaians, okay? So for this ice cream, like I said, I'm starting off with my frozen banana. 3 medium size frozen banana.
Right.
And a ripe banana, you know, once it starts to get the spots, the brown spots on, that is when you really want to use it because the sweetness is at its peak and you want to use it. And I have a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. By all means, if you want to reduce the amount of peanut butter you put in there, but I love peanuts, so I'm going with a 1/4 size. So I'm starting off with the banana. I'm going to blend this first. All right, so I blended the banana for a little bit. I'm now adding my peanut butter. 1/4 cup of peanut butter. You can feel free to make this with any like nut butter of your choice. I think I'm going to even try it someday to do like a pistachio because I love pistachios too. The sweetness is just right. Unless you want it like a bit sweeter, then you can add the maple syrup. But I'm like, adding the maple syrup is defeating the purpose. Okay, we just like the peanut and the banana. All right, so this is good to go. This is good to go. If you have the Vitamix, you don't have to do so much work because it works. Look at this. Look at this. This is make this for your friends, okay? They're actually like, what did you do, girl? You'll be like, it's my secret recipe. So I'm transferring this into the same bowl that I had the Milo chocolate. Let's call it chocolate. It is chocolate. Look at this. And since this is like fresh, I will not keep it more than like 2 weeks in the freezer. This is like the peanut butter and the banana is like the bomb.com. It's so good. So amazing. I'm like, ugh. I just want to eat it all. I kid you guys not. Like, you're going to like the peanut butter banana or peanuts and banana ice cream. Trust me, it is out of this world. It's so good. Let me know what you think. I'm going to put this in the freezer for about 2 hours before we serve, if it makes it to 2 hours, by the way. But I'm going to try to be good. So here is our chocolate ice cream, aka Milo ice cream, and this is the peanut butter, banana peanut butter. So it's been in the fridge for what, 2 hours or a little over 2 hours? About 2 hours. Look at that. It's just like ice cream. And I'm having this organic cake cones from 3 Twins. I'm going to be getting the chocolate one, just do 1/7. So this is it, right? It's not perfect on there, but this is it right here. I like this one. Peanut butter banana is my favorite. It's like so good. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. See y'all later. So let me know if you like this recipe. What would you what is the nut butter that you would have preferred for me to use? And also one bonus, you can do the same thing with the banana, but if you want to add fruit, I will encourage that. You can do strawberry banana. You know how we like the strawberry banana smoothie, so you can do a strawberry banana ice cream. Yeah, if you want to sweet, add the maple syrup, a little bit of lemon juice, you're good to go. So this is it right here. Give this video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next time. As always, thank you for supporting Stellazone. Remain in God. Have a blessed week. Bye. Peanut butter banana, by the way, is my favorite. Okay, so this video was inspired by Danny, I think that's her name, from Clean and Delicious. Yeah, Clean and Delicious. This video was inspired by her, so check out her channel.